Feeling the hustle and bustle of IMTS? Same here, but amidst the crowds, there's a haven waiting for you at Q-Mark. Q-Mark Manufacturing has transformed their space into a refreshing pub theme in honor of Chicago's speakeasy past. Oh, well, thank you. Need a pick-me-up? Q-Mark's got you covered. A quick scan of your IMTS badge gets you complimentary Starbucks coffee in the morning or a frosty beverage in the afternoon. But remember, you're here for business, so it's one per customer, 21 years old and over. But beyond the refreshments, Q-Mark is here to revolutionize your machine tool operations with a huge array of compatible styli for all your metrology needs. Q-Mark offers a wide range of stylus sizes and configurations to perfectly match any CMM machine. They're all guaranteed, proudly made in the USA, and Q-Mark is ISO 9001 certified. And if speed matters, their same-day stylized service ships most orders by noon Pacific time the same day. So visit their website, cmms.com, to explore their full product range. Did you see that? Every badge scan automatically enters you for a chance to win a Yeti cooler, a daily prize. So take a break, enjoy some refreshments, learn about the future of probe styli, and maybe even win a prize. Head over to the Q-Mark booth for a truly refreshing IMTS experience.